cats. Today I'm doing GLossybox. And here it is. Gotta find the spot. Remember the time it wasn't easy to open and the thingy didn't work? It's terrible. Terrible, terrible. Ooh, pretty box. It seems like both Ipsy and GLossybox were into like a travel theme this month. That's not working. There we go. So, bright yellow. Look at that. Really cool. So, and it matches my kimono that I'm wearing. This is a Gwynnie bee thing. It's going back because it's way too expensive for me to buy, but it's been really cool. I've been able to wear it. Ooh, pretty ribbon. I love that they wrap everything up with a ribbon. And what do we got? What's inside? John Masters Organics again. I've gotten John Masters Organic stuff from them before, but it wasn't shampoo and conditioner. And this is 12 weeks of Economist. I have no interest in that. So what do we got? Open it up. Yeah, there's some John Masters Organic stuff, which I'm not upset about at all. I just don't particularly like getting shampoo and conditioner a lot. But right now I'm actually out of conditioner, so that would be useful to me. So yeah, start off with the John Masters Organics Evening Primrose Shampoo for dry hair. And the conditioner as well. So the cats in the background, they're so weird. And what else do we got in here? A shade stick. Where is this? I'm looking for it here. Ipsy Cosmetics shade stick in Aloha. Glow on Glossies. The building cream formula gives off the perfect sun-kissed glow, regardless of how bright it is. Simply swipe when you want some radiance. Blend with fingers and you'll be a silky smooth bronze goddess in no time. Okay, so it's like a bronzer in a stick. So I still got stuff from the Ipsy. But, ooh, that might be a little dark for me. We'll see how it goes. I mean, when you blend it out, that might not, I don't know. We'll see what happens. When I actually use it, most colors are pretty dark for me. We have from Tree Hut, Protecting Daily Moisturizer with Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Refining Rose. A must for every travel lover. SPF should be worn daily to protect, I can't talk today, to protect and defend your gorgeous face. The lightweight daily moisturizer delivers vitamin-rich rose hip oil, healing carrot seed oil, sea buckthorn, and SPF 30 for busy days spent exploring. I've, like Tree Hut, I've gotten products from them before, and I do like it. Tell my daughters in the background. So we'll see how that goes too. I do like getting things with SPF in it for the spring and summer. What is this? It's a perfume. Proenza Scholler, Arizona Eau de Parfum. Ooh, I like the little bottle.
Fancy.
It is so fancy.
I want to sniff. Give me a whiff of that.
She's gonna sniff it.
Oh, yeah.
It's nice. It's a nice, like, summery scent. So that's cool. Like a little perfume. Nice.
Okay, that's not going to answer.
There's a lot of skincare. No, there's two things of skincare, and then there's the hair care, and then a perfume and 1 makeup item. I usually like more makeup items, but I can't really complain either.
Nice
because it's nice stuff in here. I'm not, you know. This is a deep cleansing oil. They almost always give me something to wash my face with. From DHC. I'm not so crazy. Every time I use a cleansing oil, I'm not particularly happy with it. But we can give this a shot and see how it goes. We as in me. Or if you want, you can always use any of my skincare wash your face stuff.
I'm scared it's gonna give me breakouts.
That you're always taking a chance when you're trying something new that it's not gonna work the way you want it to. That's the thing. So, deep cleansing oil from DHC. I never used anything from DHC before. It says it's a Japanese beauty cult favorite. And it has olive oil in it. Promises to melt away makeup, including waterproof mascara and impurities like. See, that's the thing is, oil cleansers always have like, oh, we're gonna get rid of all your makeup, but I find it to just be really greasy usually, and I don't like that feeling on my face. And then usually there's still eye makeup, so I don't know. We'll see what happens. So yeah, I do like this. I like getting the perfume, even though it seems like there's things in here that may or may not work out for me. I do like Tree Hut and will be very happy to use this. I did need conditioner, and I do like John Masters Organics products. I am a little concerned about this because it might end up looking too muddy on me or too dark. And the perfume is awesome. The cleansing oil, we'll see. So these 2 products I'm unsure about. The rest I'm really happy about. But there's nothing here that I'm like, ew, about. So it's a good box. It is. My favorite thing probably in this box, I think, is the perfume. I'm actually really excited about that perfume. It smells really nice. So, and that was my glossy box. Thanks for watching. And please remember to share, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and hit that bell twice to get notifications. And remember, always be kind, even when you want to slap them in the face. Thanks for watching. Bye, kitty cats.